In this video, we are looking at histograms. Histograms are useful when we have continuous data, and they are good for showing us the shape of the distribution. In this first question, the frequency for the class 50 to 70 was 80. Find the total number of people in the competition. So we can use the frequency to find the frequency density. And in this case, we can make sure that the area of the bar is equal to the frequency. It won't always be equal. Sometimes there can be a scale factor, but it's always going to be proportional. So the area of the bar is always going to be proportional to the frequency. So let's say the 50 to 70 bar. The 50 to 70 bar is 80 people. And the base is 20. So 20 times what will make 80? That will be 4. So we can just fill in the frequency density and then just calculate the area of each bar, and that will tell us the frequency. So we've got 1.6 times 20. We have 15 3.6s, which is 54. We have 15 6s, so 90. And we have 50 times 0.6, which is 30. So we just need to add them all up. We've got 32 people, 54 people, 90 people, 80 people, and 30 people. So that's 286. Here's another question. If you want to pause the video, you can. Otherwise, let's just keep going through it. So the time taken for some people to complete a puzzle is recorded. Why is a histogram a suitable diagram to represent the data? So because it's continuous data. So histograms are suitable for continuous data. The frequency for the 60 to 80 group was 120. So this is where we're going to be using a scale factor. So the area of the group, so 4 is the frequency density, 20 is the width, 4 times 20 is 80. So we have a scale factor. So the area times, so 80 times what makes 120 times 1.5 is equal to the frequency. So we're going to work out the area of the bars and then times them by 1.5, and that will be the frequency. So we have 30 times 1.4. We have 20 times 2.5. We have 10 times 5. And we have 40 times 1. So the total area is 42, 50, 50, 80, and 40. So that's 262. Then we're using this scale factor, so it's 262 times 1.5. So the frequency isn't always going to be equal to the area, but it will always be proportional. We can use a scale factor to go from the area to the frequency. So the scale factor is 1.5. So we're going to times it by 1.5, and we get 393 people.